Today we are making homemade caramel.
It's super easy and delicious.
And it adds that extra wow taste to anything you add it to. Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad.
And she is
Hanan.
Right before the video begins, we have a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers by August.
It would mean so much if you would hit that subscribe button and support us to continue making simple, delicious,
and healthy videos. Now, back to the show.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made flat, fluffy, springy cakes using these cake strips. If you haven't watched it yet, pause this video and click on the link in the top of the description. Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands over gloves and make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload.
This week's shoutouts go to... If you would like a shout out in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you would like us to make.
Comment down below if you would like us to make homemade chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla milkshake.
What can we drizzle caramel on?
Caramel can be drizzled on pretty much anything and everything. Like apples, popcorn, ice cream,
oatmeal, pancakes, yogurt, frappuccinos, or just eat it with a spoon.
The list never ends.
What makes store-bought caramel so unhealthy?
Many store-bought caramel syrups contain very harmful ingredients such as
corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, artificial coloring flavors, yellow 5 and 6, red 40, condensed milk, and preservatives, all in one bottle.
Look, it's the first picture of black hole.
Isn't that cool?
These harmful ingredients can cause some serious illnesses. The ingredients for this recipe are
1 cup of organic raw cane sugar,
5 tablespoons of water,
3/4 cup of organic heavy whipping cream,
half a tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract,
a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt,
and half a teaspoon of lemon. Comment down below if you would like us to make a dairy-free or vegan caramel.
We are going to add the sugar to the pot. Add the water just enough to saturate the sugar.
And swirl to make sure the water is covering the sugar.
Do not mix.
Then cover the pot.
The sugar will start to dissolve.
When it starts to simmer, add the lemon to prevent the sugar from crystallizing.
Once it crystallizes, it won't dissolve.
Then cover again.
We will leave this over medium heat for about 10 minutes.
Keep an eye on the pot.
5 minutes have passed, and the syrup is now pale amber. We will leave it for another few minutes.
How does the pot lid prevent the caramel from crystallizing?
The steam collects on the top and drips along the side.
So it's brushing down any crystallization and helps caramelize better.
Warning, this is extremely hot. Do not touch or taste.
A few minutes have passed, and now the color is a medium amber.
Slowly add the heavy whipping cream, salt, and vanilla extract.
Optional, you can add 3 tablespoons of butter. This will make it slightly silkier.
The syrup can be refrigerated up to 3 weeks in an airtight container.
What happens if we overcook caramel?
Here we have 3 jars, pale, medium, and dark amber.
This is undercooked and this is overcooked and bitter.
This is the color that we're looking for. Check Instagram for this photo.
Bismillah.
Now that I feel like eating caramel, I don't have to worry about eating all those harmful ingredients.
It's good, sir. I love it.
I love it too.
I love it too.
Caramel is a great gift.
This makes any snack much tastier.
Don't you agree, Sally? So good.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy. Comment down below if you would like us to make a strawberry, vanilla, and homemade. Comment down below if you would like us to make homemade chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Or comment down below if you would like us to make a strawberry homemade. Comment down below if you would like us to make homemade chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla milkshake.
Corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, artificial coloring.
That's so weird.
Corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors and flavors, yellow 5 and 6.
This is terrible.
Corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors and flavors, yellow 5 and 6. Corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors and flavors, yellow 5 and 6, but all in one bottle.
Look, it's Venus.
That's the page I was looking for.
Comment down below. What is helicopter? Comment down below if you would like us to make a dairy-free or vegan.
Add the water just enough to saturate. I can.
And swirl the pan to. Then cover the. When it starts to simmer, add the lemon to prevent the crystallizing from crystallizing.
Yeah.
When it starts to simmer, add the Chris.
Wait, who's Chris? Add the Chris.
Here we have 3 jars. This is amber.
Amber. Kermit. Okay, sorry. Kermit. Caramel makes such a great gift.
Give me my finger.
Wait, popcorn have you had?
I love Sally. I love it.
And click on the top of the link below.